This is the last step. If you have full of this white side, full of this color, any color, but today this is the color of green, full, and yellow is full. Okay, now we have three sides that full. Okay, then we have to notice this. If we have this in between, surrounded by other color like this, see, same. Okay, then we will use the moving technique. Okay, but you just put this away. Okay, then we will do like this: up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down. Now you can have the fish again. Okay, this yellow and this yellow. Okay, you have to use the moving technique: up, out, down, out, up, down, out, out, down. Now you can solve it.